Morning. Crazy hair going on, what is this? I've just got up. It's not such a nice day today, unfortunately. I think we're gonna head out to like an antique market thing now, so have a look around. The plan is to buy Mum and Dad some flintlock pistols. They really don't want them, but I'm convinced that you need flintlock pistols in a house like this. So we're gonna go out and I'm gonna try and grab some of those. As I said, not such a nice day today. Bit rainy, bit mealy. Could brighten up though, we can only hope. Okay, so the plan today goes a bit like this. We are heading into this little village to go to the bric-a-brac antique fair thing. And we're meeting up with Sandy and Mike, who are two of Mum and Dad's friends who live out in France at the moment. So, good job, let's go.
Ooh, it's wet.
We're here. We have arrived. I can hear hymns. It's clearly church day. It's a nice place though.
You don't like being on film? No.
We bought nothing basically because it was soaking wet and there wasn't that much there. I don't think many stores turned out because it was so wet. So we are now setting back off towards Bellu and home. So we've made it back home. Slightly unsuccessful trip, if I'm honest. Heard some nice music, saw a nice village, but we didn't buy anything. I did not find the flintlock pistols. So this, if we're honest, constitutes a disaster. Hopefully tomorrow, my last day here, I need to get the flintlock pistols. We're going to some antique shops, I think.
First fire in Pelou.
First fire in Pelou, how does that feel?
Like I probably need some more thinner logs.
So I think we're going to go and try and brave the elements because it's brightening up just a little bit, and actually I think we'll stick on some wet weather gear and just go for a walk and, you know, just hope for the best because, yeah, the way things are going at the moment, we're just sitting around the house tidying up. It's boring for me, it's boring for you guys as well, so let's go try and do something. It's time to introduce Charlie to the world. Hey Charlie. Right. Charlie's temperamental. Charlie starting. Hey! Oh, Charlie died. We've just found the biggest worm I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, honestly, the biggest worm. Look at the size of him! That's so cool. Okay, so now it's becoming an adventure. We've got no idea where we're going anymore. Off the beaten track and hope for the best, eh, Mum? Yep. One foot in front of the other. And you never know where the road will take you. This is creepy. We've just found like a abandoned outdoor activity centre. Look at this. It's what? Why? I'm not going to touch anything. It's like the Blair Witch Project. It also sounds remarkably like there's a pack of hounds chasing us through these woods, which is a bit creepy. Nah, that's weird. I'm sorry, that is weird. So this is the tough life of cleaning up a house that you've just bought in France. Apparently there's dead mice underneath all of the work surfaces. So we're just spending a little bit of time at the moment clearing out these work surfaces down here to try and get rid of the stink that's emanating from them. I think it's done now though, Dad? Done?
Not bad.
Not bad, feeling a bit better?
Not exactly whiffy free, but
Whippy free.
that's rude.
I'm getting Dad doing his domestic goddess duties.
Yeah, I know. I'm a domestic goddess. Alright, anybody remember how that went back on?
No, I didn't take it off. Your responsibility.
So today's been a bit of a funny one really, isn't it? Didn't really achieve what we set out to achieve, but in the end I think we got quite a lot done. I don't want to go home tomorrow. I quite like it out here. I could spend a bit more time here, I think. I'm looking forward to Christmas and coming back. I'll tell you that for nothing.